Welcome to Express Video Learning, presented by Cost Plus Electric Supply. I'm Eric, and I'm here to show you. Today we're talking about Lutron's new Maestro Pro Series dimmer. When you're talking about dimmers, it's extremely important that you match your light source to your dimmer. With the Pro dimmer, you don't have to worry about that. This is truly a one-size-fits-all dimmer. LED, CFL, halogen, incandescent, magnetic, and electronic low voltage, all in one. Here's what you get inside your box of your Maestro Pro dimmer from Lutron. You're going to get your mounting screws and your wire connector. You're going to get a multilingual instruction manual. The dimmer, of course, itself. Also inside the box, you're going to get a convenient neutral wire for those neutral type connections. Let's take a little bit closer look at the dimmer. If you notice on the Pro Series dimmer, it does have a neutral connection. Neutral connections are always optimal for better dimming, but if it's a standard LED or halogen incandescent lamp, the neutral connection is not required on this dimmer. Also, you'll notice that it has a communication screw. This is the only way that you can connect your Maestro Pro dimmer to other switching locations, is through their companion series dimmers. It is not compatible with standard 3-way or 4-way switches. The best part though is you will have full dimming control at all of those locations. Also, on the faceplate, straight out of the box, you'll notice that the Maestro Pro Series has instructions on how to set the low end trim, again, to make sure that your optimal connection between your fixture and your dimmer is at the right settings. One great feature to keep in mind of the Maestro Pro Series is the fact that it now has available color change kits. So whether you're updating to match the tile or it got damaged in the construction process, it's a really simple application. You're going to take a small device, open the prongs on both sides, take the cover off, take the cover that you want, match the LED sides with the LED strips, and there you have it. Lutron's Maestro Pro Series dimmer is truly the most universal dimmer on the market today. With changeable faceplates, true multi-location dimming up to 9 locations with their companion dimmers, heat sinks that are removed to make multi-gang installations faster and easier, not to mention the most expanded line of wattage availability on the market today. 250 watt LED all the way up to 500 watt electronic low voltage. Lutron's Pro Series dimmer will make you look like a pro on every project. If you have questions or need more information, please stop by any one of our 4 convenient locations. Or you can always check us out for more content here online. Have a great day.